In today's video review, we are featuring the Timberland Pro Leather Wallet. Why am I getting this? I think this is an upgrade to the one I have right now, and I don't know, this doesn't look fancy enough for me. So let's take a look at this. Love the 3D, and this is one of those rare cases where the actual box looks much more smoother and cooler than maybe what's inside the box. Let's go ahead and look inside the box. Open this up. And one thing I do like about this box, it really does feel like a honey grid right here. Very nice. On the inside, features the same material on the bottom as well, except this is cardboard over here. This is all removable, and you can use this for storage or other things. And inside, we're getting the actual wallet. The wallet by itself looks kind of cool. You can see it versus a normal wallet. That's how a normal wallet actually looks like. And this is how this wallet looks like. Only thing I really dislike about this, it doesn't really close. But I think over time, this might actually fix itself in your pocket. Opening this up, you see how it actually looks like. This material is kind of cool as well. You can put small coins in here. You can put like a credit card. And this is pretty tough to stick in. And the good thing is, it's going to be pretty hard for somebody to steal things out of it too. Best part, you can win $10,000. Or maybe you can't. This goes in a lot more smoother than the rest of them. The bigger issue I have here is you can't actually stick too many in here. You can stick one in here, but if you stick too many, it's just going to be pretty hard to put this inside. So let's go ahead and stick more of them in there, just to see how it works. And you see that it's kind of hard to put them in. So that's a bummer. But if you only need to store like maybe 1 or 2 cards in here, you don't have a bunch of them, you're going for the minimalist look, driver license, maybe like 1 or 2 credit cards, a few pieces of information. For a really minimalist function, this is going to be great. Honeycomb right here, honeycomb on the inside as well. Price tag is $20. And if you really want to know what it's made in, it's hard to see this. It's covered up. Made in India. Made in India. Not bad. Made in India for like probably $10. Maybe $2, and they're selling this for us for $20. I know, have to feed everybody up the food in the bottom of the food chain. But this is good to protect your credit cards from theft. So yes, it's probably worth it, because if somebody steals your information from you, that's a lot of money you're going to be losing. And regular leather card, regular card carrier, regular leather wallet, it's just not going to do it. It doesn't have this protection unless you get the new ones. This is the old one. So yes, this is cool. I think over time it's going to get much more smoother and easier for this to work. It comes with very nice presentation gift box here that you can use for other purposes. And in this specific case, the gift box might be much cooler than the actual wallet. But presentation-wise, it's kind of cool. And when it comes to being useful, it does what it's supposed to do. So, do I recommend this? Hard to say. $20 is a lot to spend on a wallet that doesn't really close. And yet, it's one of the better wallets that is on sale on Amazon. And it's made by Timberland. And plus, it can take a lot of abuse, which is good, and a leather wallet cannot. So if you're interested, there's going to be a link right down below where you can get yours directly from Amazon.